How to download PokeMMO on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can download PokeMMO on Windows 11. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up a browser and then search for PokeMMO in the search bar. Now head towards the official link that is PokeMMO.com. Now, in order to download PokeMMO in your Windows 11, first of all, you have to register. So click on Register Now button. Here you have to create an account. Enter your username, enter your email, create a password, confirm it, and also enter your date of birth and also agree on these terms and conditions. Once done, click on this confirmation or the verification and click on register. Now once you have the account and if you're logged in there, you will have an option to download it. So click on download for Windows, and once the download is begin and once it completes, now you can install the PokeMMO in your device and set it up in your device. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.